testing my patience, man. She was keeping me